adom me ho ye pa
Good.
Me gidi se wonso ho ye de
Akokra me ho ye pa.
Me say why you fine
Me that's the pressure and share that name so sir.
Oh sir, now how is life after being a regional minister na wa kotinechi kakrai? How is life?
Much changes in me apart from I'm very busy. Also sorry I'm not attend the program we will call office near the one of my fundamental principles they say say me kodabiana. The question I ask myself say what China situation I'm woman say me nimu biwa if I'm a regional minister China me sorry I'm a regional minister what do I do me sorry I'm not answer that's the same question I ask myself maybe I'm sorry me call office as regional minister before me draw cry nana do say me you what do I do then the moment I have an answer I don't
so you had this at the back of your mind.
That has been my principle.
Say be a china no say nana do si fu adwuma to wa then na obey enti no na wonam a you're very cautious.
Yes.
Okay.
So what that answer in life you never get worried.
Wow.
And regional minister even from the time when I was with the bank me bank manager I didn't ask my question because with my bank manager authorities better for you and I'm
their performance near day.
Exactly. And you are also who say you me
right.
And that is one of my principles. To be a frame me part time when I'm a regional minister, no be who say. Time when I'm a regional minister, me pon official duties. I never use official vehicle.
Oh, really?
I drove myself. With my frame office.
Wow.
Me nya pon official duty, take government vehicle, go and park. Driver also or family, ne obusuya phone ko transit. Bodyguard who or family ko money. And the chinya san bedroom.
Now why you use car? Driving after work.
After work.
Wow.
I use official vehicle only for official duties. Until me originally say I'm driving.
Wow. Now, how did that principle help?
Oh, it helped me until say I was few office. Na me drive about any news.
Oh, okay. I see.
Say on the metro because the idea me yet. Until nya dia fi na me besu.
Okay.
Because what position be now some benefits be as much as possible. Try say many position we watching. Send your missy above me brand. Try so be book kakra whilst you're in that office.
Oh, okay.
And this is a sign. Who difference, Papa?
Wow. So you live in a comfortable life, see. As a former Ashanti Regional Minister,
yes.
Honorable Simon Osei-Mensah.
Yes, and I'm driving baby. And I'm free. I'm out for whom in beginning, or me say risky. Regional Minister, why I would drive home, I buy my bodyguard, I buy my driver. Which one is more risky? Send me what power. Now me drive home, and now I'm a free power. I'm and me put me drive me because our power to me kakra bi tawachi to be approach you kra na ehun kakra den ewum but free power to me no
right
and this now our power no want me drive home there na no free power be do drive home
wow se mu kotre kire sei no a na ene ye amoto nimu animu ye mie bie kwan mu ma mo ne ade ni hoi ya na entete mo kakra.
And teach me because I catch was apart from official duty, na me am driving and I'm doing. Medical.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And my used to.
Is see how feed I?
Oh, me small business be Naija. Me shining kakra.
Mates almost all young cook on getting kakra.
Oh, me nyako.
Sir,
Debbie.
And then now you fear.
Oh, me business crowd here the two ones.
Oh, sir.
Annie.
Are a young cook on getting into numbers will be better credit.
Menyako.
Sir.
And you'll be
oh, I see. Wow. But am I comfortable?
Very comfortable and relaxed.
Oh, yes, I investment in the Brown Regional Minister.
Oh, na me before say me be a member of parliament. Na me.
Okay.
at a point, or more I'm the job, no more and I'm suspended.
Okay.
And you see now what time and
right. Looking back as a former regional minister, I mean, among for said the working say wow driving wow yeah, I see it to be a sort of humility. I mean, but as a people's perception about you outside, no. Uti obe nipa ba ko mienu miensan bi na wo kasa anhwe mu mienu no abeka che say era Simon no say papa ya say oni abotre na koma ha no na sebe o kasa nipa ho anyhow and before then me pese me kai o kakra on caterers school caterers bi o mo ba wo school feeding caterers
yes
na wugina bansoro
yeah
na emi say menim say we are overwhelmed with omo presence you say den so the words na we suni said ye na we see kasa no guest chakra no create a lot of me pese ye hwe kakra na ye kai ye ho kakra o ma hwe Facebook e bia o mo nkaye no na mabisa wasem kakra enti na o hwe se ase huja wo mu na den na wo mu ase me hwe wo lip no de na akoye te se mumfumu asem nko ana mumfiri ha nko ana bibisa in mante word no de but it seems like obi a as end he ni buafu but
I mean you see the edikai no Nhyira fan o ko obi office one country yan no
okay
mun see me hoda me complaining about my payment
okay
you just bump into my office here na mkachire so munya security phones will be and fan san kan obi
okay
one no problem about
right
even national security coordinator crowd no afraid please say please form no be catch them say I'm stop please form na beside this me kwa kuti wo masem me started say me kasa lady bi de barakusu bi an say mu eti we ayede me nya no
really
do pe ka bi en fa ska bi emrai enti enti atiam nyi didi say be ya president bet na am fe ne mu nko what's the point untie me dia ugina wayede
that was what happened
exactly
wow
nti wuntie mi wa begina ho ye den na so so betie tiem pese president hu a ene wan ko Jubilee House no anko tietim
but I won't say omo musika akamu I mean obeye desperate frustrated for some time near dinti such attitudes no there as a leader as a West
Kasawiya and come back here say no minim letters do many regional coordinator no atro ba wose muntie mi na ntie mi dia wo gina yere na mso nyina onyere
but so we a leader you know say nkrofo ehwe wase nyina wo munye the same you expect people to behave differently I mean ebinum wo ha wo munni abotre wo no ma bi hu wo kwa ahokyere mu a e wo de wo yenko now who say as a leader
the right thing they should have done was even to bring a delegation to me. Na me chire mu na won tie ase a na chire bi apeso demonstration or demonstration mama hoda
basade
na wo be demonstration aba me ho
basade nso mamanfu mu say ase o ya hantan o kokoko osoro ne ade won regret for that gesture
never
sir
even wow papa kra bibi ha na akon ho na ne kasa so be kasa chiro na ka say mintiu ma menye me dede because why you dada ono bro nyina always we look at one side yen hwe the other person na ye no
okay
the national security for free police for no any man can say no stop war no buy no hwe o man come because
but think yes penny due matemant intinka as a leader ka obetimi aye no match I mean
why be rem fee without authority without permission me menya botre EBQ now see wuntie the American no munye didi na president entia oh yeah na president that is all
if you had the chances yeah na you wouldn't have changed
ebian kema national security for no ayo madwuma selling come here no
wow
so maybe that is what they would have wanted.
Wow,
that's what they want. They would have wanted.
But
because when you apply, Mrano said there, no, was you apply now. Every grand man could now.
Wow. But you as a minister, na you heard Wanamutu ni adewa santimantem ha. Did you feel say unya massive support?
Yes, beginning, you see, I had challenges at office, baby. The man me nya challenge of office, me style of or mumpe, me penokre. Masam ye no kre, me drew we are see, ni drew ni, me drew am we are see ane no kre.
No kre.
Nti me bo bis me to me nyini.
Oh za.
Abraham gidi aye no kre. The only a drug as all but the Becumia Zabia meet with the drug of Gumaduan poison Gumaduan with a poison of Gumisium and a baby. Media me best spirit be free baby or baby. If we are in the crow, a drove we are seeing in we flew a drove. That's how my grandmother trained me.
So be truthful.
That is all. To me, I will tell the truth even at gunpoint. Nothing of predecessor. They can't tell me here because every day he was insulting me. There's a difference between criticizing somebody and insulting somebody. I told him, yeah, man for me, G2, and your pet. When I got Osei-Mensah, more and Sani, no my reasons. Not criticizing me, I agree. But when you insult somebody, to Jimmy for say, then you insult.
You felt insulted.
Some me catch them, some here. So long as not a Kofiasa, Reverend Kofiasa, and one of them, Bisa Benan. Almost every month I was here. All starting now, make Casa children 1 to 1 season. Have you cried? Was not seeing me so long as all young program is here.
But so we leaders, and you should expect it. Or flag bearers,
not
yeah.
So the behind the workers is here. Only the matron. But now I have no cancer, be a name day. And I'm reacting at the same thing like I can see.
And we didn't know.
Make all the man, funny man, call teacher, man, call me, call my fat.
But and also, how would you make a crack?
I am baby.
As a man who say, you can't want to say, Mount Bessie, you can't.
Can't be can't say we have this work.
Because now said the
media stations be bring up Kumasi. I don't know, baby Anameko. Some of them were even more hostile, more moody. But they were not insulting, because they were criticizing.
Your projects be now it's been expected say MPP more breast in case multimedia. Example being say Swami interchange ambe promise na nka say I mean within that Akufo-Addo crack say by 2024 no ending Grananki area, which also pass a comment on that. I mean your KJTR phase 2, there's so many even your friends saying TRUTHFUL markets and other no maybe what don't you think say sa no man say man for a omudi wachi no a omhye wase no ehu say woman who be kone emuaye ma it gets them angry and it be to me best out in that manner.
Yes, I think these 3 projects are working. The recent interviews I mentioned them. Say Nana do ye Juma Power Ashanti Region. But you were 3 projects. And the JG and say, I say, I'm an back home, any swami interchange. I think the time now you approve you the delay.
Right.
Nhyira FM.
And partly it was due to the source of funding. Some of us near percent on be used to
Government of Ghana
fund because I don't know how much baby back a Caribbean is suspended.
Tinan company saying
Near per loan.
okay.
I know they are dedicated to know. That was part of the delay.
Right.
Then Obi Tikruma, no artist, oh yes, Poku as interchange. Yes, it Tamale interchange, or my now who say Ashanti region the devote no do no ba. Na ye interchange ye may say what in point nothing.
Yeah.
Na the boof. And the time no crash as you know. Nanya man for the papa. Because Martin I check. Which I understand them 100%.
And also to media bufu bao.
And American. So I check. You know, both in the best as you can and you're because the both that. And they say, I could come dinner. Now, what chain come at check?
Right.
I told you the other background.
And yana kono.
And yana kono surface. San in New Year. Kajetia phase 2. And no mean to me and fast born no more by no be free.
Adentia.
Kajetia phase 2. The airport, international airport, and na Konfuanochi maternity and children's block. Nina financing free Britain.
Okay.
Na tema COVID no a buy no. After COVID no na government go into debt restructuring.
Right.
Omo SCZ disbursement to start 3 loans.
For the maternity block, those other
all members of the Paris Club suspended loan be anom the Ghana.
Suspended economy ni
no, because we are restructuring the loans.
Yeah,
the government all restructure we and san who the BC and sana.
Sure.
So they stop disbursement to the airport. They stop disbursement to KGTF phase 2. They stop disbursements to Konfuanochi maternity and children's block. And a trainer restructuring we you know. Then the government had to go in and request for disbursement. Almost starting. No, I'm crying. Almost say one priority area. Your health.
Right.
By their policy. You know. So as compared to the market, any airport, or more priority area, your health. And the international airport, drew 98%. Into 98%. I can't just 2%. You just 2% now. You ain't me utilize that, you know. Meanwhile, the 98% resources, you're sinking into the project.
Okay.
And the problem to one so okay, they will complete that one first. And the year think I won't call market because in Ashanti region, commerce is very important. Trading is very important to the economy of Ashanti.
Okay.
The back and forth there we go to Konfuanochi. The actually now almost G2 Musafi or this best to KGTF phase 2. Now you're there won't mean.
Okay.
We are there you can't finish. And actually last one they call almost started disbursement to Konfuanochi. I don't know the last time I call I don't know whether it's ongoing and I said
island is ongoing.
Exactly. No, I'm starting. Yes, I you need there. Mean to me fast so born no more bank debris say delay. Because nipa no ama abosin awode ye no was nhihye ya me nim ye nti no minti me mam bosin no kopem bre be nhihye na wi
but knowing Ashanti region your most stronghold nti no say no na amfa say nka GOG fund no na nka mo switch off alternative Because I am a strong
just a minute. So when he said during the COVID, no expenditure cost,
right?
No revenue didn't do.
But support by super.
No, the support no yet towards but the natural revenue generation.
Sure,
you
that
see,
one I agree.
Always people talk only about sikana yede kon yare no. On the expenditure need a more a buy.
Right.
But they forget say you have your normal revenue generation. What the boy mine hobra. Take aviation. For over 6 months, aviation and yedma. And as I revenue benya. You won't get it. It will be locked down. It will natural revenue no crowd whatever ball mine hobra no conform. And that is where people don't look at.
And that's where
you can be one-sided.
And the World Bank and so the $1 billion by other places or mobile support other donor funds by money idea those money should have
that one was to cushion expenditure
that
on
is
COVID.
It.
Yes, you are talking expenditure. You have expenditure on COVID, but and then you have your natural revenue and expenditure. I say COVID Maya.
Ubenya natural. Yes. That's understandable.
Exactly. Now no abano revenue nanka was a winya o naturally no. Winya. Maybe one side. Only the fight against COVID. No matter economy and the normal circumstances should have run.
Agreed, but economy after COVID struggle IMF. We went for just $3 billion. Yeah. And when your donor funds are bar and they the best support to World Bank Moody $1 billion we say it's $1 billion is almost half of the economy of the boy on brandy. Why
are you saying say yes you family treat your COVID a car airborne you family no brandy you free for instance.
No, but if you look at Sikano quantum of the money, other countries support, I mean, they were still running as post-COVID GDP, you realize Cote d'Ivoire and the others, all the African countries, they support. You see, Sena, almost age now, so crack. And he said, yeah, they are no excuse 4 years after COVID now.
But post-COVID, COVID APK 2022. If you know the effect on the economy.
No, but evidence, let's say the numbers started dropping. Even as of 2022.
Listen to me.
Right.
The effect on the economy as a result of COVID. APK 2022. Then the government put in measures. So as of 2022, when you have inflation of 54%. The CD exceeded exchange rate exceeded 17. That was the time. Then abandoned the measures to 2 in 2023. Then you started saying you have positive effects.
But
inflation from the 54 now I hit 22 no. As at 2024, near bedroom 23%.
But analysts may be pointing out to mismanagement because COVID fund will be because be my northern region now one of the executives because on Ukraine 100,000 in idea as is cano you mismanaging the is it not also a factor?
Except now can't we what is a government cafe
but say as an executive
what is a government cafe
that one the new government will accept.
You see I thought be you take it hook and line and I say that is the absolute truth.
Right.
You see they might be politicians I thought we are our own enemies cry to me and right. If the government had accepted say that would have been a different story.
And the project me Simon me buy no have led to the establishment of this project to Ashanti region.
But let me tell you, you buy you fight him international airport.
The phase phase 2.
Yes, we combine at a point we have to combine phase 2 and phase 3 because you realize if we phase 2 now, it will not be functional unless we combine phase 3. So we combine phase 2 and phase 3 together.
You couldn't complete.
Oh, we couldn't complete it 100%, especially the runway was not complete. But it was completed for the
make-up projects are because of the
when I remember Smart Airport.
But it wasn't complete.
Why wasn't it complete? Place say plane airban.
But it was running locally before. By a person international airport about Rania, Ibinya Bo we near the bit me landing those things. We couldn't get there. That's the problem.
I agree that the extension of the runway 1 year down the line. I don't know. Near extension of the runway, I bit mama booming number.
But blame them for 1 year. 1 year, a bit of because so you had
who continue
to expect a Senko.
Yes, the runway only, and I just said twice over 400 meters. It's not a chassis.
Okay,
and we're working on it.
Okay,
but the next one, Oko Akumadan. You see, local government university.
Akumadan.
Yes, but maybe you don't know. Akumadan. You have a greenhouse village. I training crop in greenhouse technology. A school. Momo ya ne drew baby cry or Israel for 3 months. Where I'm reviewing interview me, I'm a cocaine almost in say, oh, per projects now, bra, my office. A peace called residential complex. So, but some 2 girls, senior school,
but Akuma Dandia Okai is not fully functional.
You see, we were supposed to.
You can't projects.
I have fully functional. Woman and for students in school. Yeah, we now for students
that make it functional. Say hospital.
What about inheriting? What about inheriting? Yeah, the students can move from kum. And the students down from kum.
Right.
My buy power.
Mate.
My buy power. No.
For they expect to say within 8 years there is possible. Say can be.
But we didn't start.
A year, yes. Think I want more plan more. You
don't start projects. Project be anywhere. You bought pinwa start
because you had almost 2 years on it.
Listen, project be anywhere. Over by pin no chassis. Let me tell you, when we came, the major problems we have. Health. The whole country and an area.
Health.
Yes, population in relation to health infrastructure. We were last. Now we inherited some hospitals.
Say we are near the.
Yes, on our way. In 2 better now, no.
Any say we are the.
Yes, we are.
No, but none we are near the. Even before a quiet the whole quite no crowds we and me and rude.
Yeah, commission Konongo Hospital. Now contract our panels who are quite in. But we commissioned and the contractor continued until the contractor completed.
But hospital are not say that at least nanka I think say a construction or plan go that you should have honorable any man for so before
no to boni and chiro and always go and rely on assembly what no more fun.
The NT
you be inherit. Let me tell you, you be inherit the quiet hospital.
Right.
You be commission you be inherited from me. You will you compete a yeduma. You be inherited tepa. You will you commission a yeduma. You be inherited kumawu. You will a yeduma. You inherited konongo. You will a yeduma. So we are you will the equipment nagum. The problem na ye face war. So we are. It's a contract and say government dinika. Government also on the contract because Ministry of Finance so on all contractor. Then what delayed the project bill a year? We needed to establish ECG substation dedicated to the hospital. Yeah, we contractor and say all my ECG phone connected to the facility.
Why?
Was it abandoned? Then the government also says, "Yeah, no, we don't owe you."
But as a government, na we yasem be take drastic measures. See, be a nipa no krebi ambesi na court amamo kwan to operate mo and you just left it like that.
No, so we decided
because all block him na mufin.
No, we decided to go and commission. That is why we went to commission the project.
Was any fully operational?
Fully operational equipment room. Musimon konne na monko.
Akwan kura nye. Ne musu.
Akwan we inside your guni nyinaso.
But we're talking about routes to the place.
And I told you,
communities.
I told you, say Konongo. Yeah, commission Konongo. The contractor was still on the road. The commission, and until and on year will be a project. You see what you forget, and they say most of the equipment they will guarantee periods.
Just say.
And to install equipment, you know. Na guarantee period no etwam now be testing enya untimi fan ko ni pa chese physical for koto equipment, so you don't need those things,
right?
And hon cry yes I could see another health facility attached 50 bed capacity.
No way.
Infectious disease,
yeah, for infections.
Yes,
infections.
Yes, you almost pass on me operate
just like the Moye original hospital.
Exactly.
Style. Okay.
Right. On me operate and I'm.
But say we share routes in the facility na no mo ko emu fully there. I mean
now 1 year we free site. 1 year mon lawyer envu.
Well,
you hand over 7th of January. 7th of January to be September, you know, call twitwa pictures.
But for prudent for prudent management, at least we employ for a better one. But I believe that there should be security there. Whilst I any operation, I cry any security, any caretakers be on better.
Why can't you say security?
And then the whole sir.
And that's on this our mind. Maybe feel the next security.
Right.
Maybe feel next security. Want to be so say, then call September. No, now you are talk from March, April, May, June, July. What's your info?
You've been a part 2 of Ashanti region. I will need you around for part 2 of Ashanti region. Now, Honorable, finally, when we say all support to Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia in the elections, so far, I didn't inform with decision, no, sir, na win, so 56%. Are you happy? The other concerns, so I know you be. I mean, a person can in a boom, mommy. I know, sir, you wouldn't be so much comfortable. But Fanisa, mommy, me pay clarity, kakra. Mommy, more way shortly. Na ma pay clarity, kakra.
Nhyira FM.
I can be to the same class. I can be Yahudu Yabato, 18 some fool so. Ada biya kwa kama mimi kase mfuasem na samna abaka mo bok maswania.
No, wait.
Okay.
Nyankopon empire mesraman se omodam.
Hey,
omodam.
Enipo
one ne ma
or recording
ne nananom de wo yes a tape no. De ye no voice no. And wo ma ye no. Nipa kro no omodam. Ne ma ne nana generations upon generations omodam.
That's serious.
That's not my voice. Not me. Na my bottom.
Wow.
That's not my voice.
So
the omodam
obi engineer over.
One ne ma, one ne nana, ne generations upon generations omodam.
Wow.
Ne ma nyini dru baabi om so be bon faso no omodam. Ne nana mu nyini tu won hwe ombo mo ka o ma dru tam faso omodam. It's not my voice. Even more sister station Joy above from they also says papa ye program ye. That's not my voice. If I call bottom, bottom na bonti.
Akwachiru.
Oh, bottom na bonti. My tro yi bi amedeba. Empire Mr. Mana. Empire Mr. Man, or madam.
Wow.
One in the man in the nana or madam. Empire Mr. Man.
Ayo yapa.
Why not? Why not? We'll be betting a kumia kumiba, a kumiri, a kumabusia for. What time is that saying one? Any part of time is that saying one?
Wow.
Nhyira FM.
Anytime I met tape, no, you know. Makuma, I say, a pia a womb. How can you be so wicked?
Wow.
Madam. And I know my God is able. Over madam. And yes, I omra bonting. Am I sick to do this? Who is my judgment?
Wow.
What they don't know is every crime is starting my life on Navrongo. They are sick.
Wow. What's na Navrongo?
Yes.
With the northerners.
Yes. Me now for be northerners.
I see.
Me so omodam.
Why would someone do this?
One in him, me omodam. They say court and me crime be court to get the pet.
It is someone that's who court crime.
Yes. How can you do that?
Wow. This is serious.
What trim now could try to be so just like that?
Nhyira FM.
Huh? Me not team you. I'll not do this.
Asam how?
And will be obey me. I hate ethnocentric comments.
Right.
Umunimintia.
Wow.
Umunimi. Name it away. Unifufu.
Unifufu.
Me DTZ. Me the fucking knife creating DTZ. Come a D from Encola.
All right. So I can say what's not Navrongo. So I'm not surprised.
What tenacity are you way after 1 year?
Wow.
So G schools what G doing their DJ Biano. Nanko man modam. One in the man in Nana Munina modam.
Edian Adeboa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia in Ashanti region. See when you're near here unity, here winning.
Also, some question answer Nakofa we have because sadly we know.
Yes, I understand. That's why I prompted you say I know you wouldn't be comfortable, but then Facha me, I need clarity because this is the first time I may play this audio on air, and I needed clarity from you. And until I'm a boy, not just to offend you. But to find out,
you are not offending me.
Me perceive me minya straight, and you be a
yeah.
Me know face to face.
Me say, oh dear ma, hey, we munina.
Right.
People don't know the president. I'm investigating. Every say me voice and I my voice.
Right.
Now we don't away my cousin see. Nanado.
Nanka.
Kada next day na no matiko. Don't verse this is not Simon's voice. Or stati, you know. One have a casemia. Baby up, down and low man. I feel next pusu.
You go me a meti and I'm say
how can I do this?
Okay.
Now my bottom.
Wow. Finally, before Sobekon, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, dear now, because they see him say more split 44. Ewon Chenya, I see a kick on boom, Kennedy, other aspects, no be Ashanti region, though when you're 45, constituencies now increase there out of 44 now, the Kenya last time. You, as a former regional minister, how do you organize the base for him moving forward 2028?
The kind. Ubi what he may work political platform for 2024, 2020, 2016.
Right.
There be the American say projects.
Okay.
Sika. Eboa winning elections, ben winning elections.
Oh, sir. Wow.
Adia winning elections, in Kabumu unity.
Okay.
And always I analyze from this point. The year 2000.
Okay.
Now MPP at now opposition.
Right.
Right. But we were united. Now the late former president Jerry John Lawrence and Sue Fiso. Emma NDC call or more presidential primaries. Cracks be bam.
Okay.
And maybe crack one party. A moment me and Campbell. and so disunity no irrespective of send yen ma ben mu dante yentimi account for project because near ba ben over 30 years enti project ayi bi kura na ye dia sika nso a na ho odin even atore bi ska kura de to kokokura ko ta posters na yedin but because ya kan ho abomu
okay
ye the unity no kakra sa ama former president Jikufo ebe we ne power
okay
am I edu ye ko 2008 and I'm saying past 17 to go contest ye ni enso ye mu chiche
okay
na that time NDC in so in opposition enti afi no o makom ho abomu ma solve wo internal wranglings ni nyina are united enti irrespective of project o man panin kufo ye ya bia bo na baso this unity na we party no my Professor Mills BBT narrowly
right
I'm almost 2 minutes because we're not united about 2016 and this is anya so far the same fate this unity
right
and then so they united and they debate power so me what I'm looking at now let's say mesre wo mo asia kan ni nyina eni wo na chita wo ma chita fu nyina o mu nyina se ye pese ya ban no ye party ni sa ba ban mu dia ye nyina enkamum ye mfa ncheche ye ho
right
even during the campaign we can see bia eye wo ya ehye wo ha wa enkamum
okay
ye nya ni nyina manage
okay
nipa de is a nipa na be fom nipa enti obi amfa nche
okay
because I told them we are the cha eboa me eboa ye nyina
right
na yen kamum na me the send me see nim Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me say na TV obekọ other 4 candidates no eni o makotenase aka
right
the mestre other 4 candidates ni say yen hwe party no
right
na yen hwe party ni kase
okay
na yen hu say party no so sen yen
okay
na you don't need to be friends
okay
and so I'm with my join one political party
right
ye nipa bebrebe ye nyina ntimi nye namfo send ye tibia bi be ye namfo be o se etimi eye adwuma eden ebum ekabum ne ekope nkunim bie no
okay
because ya nkambo mu a irrespective of resources awo ntimi mwa
okay
and again we opposition opposition kura de obi pese oboa wa ohwe na beti no ahwe na beti nti so power no be ma 10 a utre ye kura opposition obe ma 1 and 2 enti resources no ye timi nya sa
sure
enti mesre omoma ye nyina enkambum from now fortunately and share party ni de buy no amaye wo at least be 2 years 10 months
okay
to organize ourselves enti enkambum mu no na medie ehiame na mesasre me hu sa manfo start can running meet hu sem too early
okay
say ya handle ni ya eno so betimi the division aba
okay but do you think Senapo still remains
me honey there Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia okay party ni wo National Executive Council your pennyfo bebre I don't want to comment on running MCC
right
yem pay unity no okay yenya wi a Dr. Baumia no antenasi na nipa bia pese obo na chi dom a ebeboa no ama wadi nkunim no
right
ya de ko na party no so gitum ze sa nipa na yenye na yemfa de bia ebe se we se me pe na afi so ya argument no instead say be ka bomu no na ye fi ho na division no oba because of running meet and there ti mesra manfo na ye wi a senior obi service I mean so say e benya second one
sure
so we come and discuss the projects because project ayaye no
edosun
I'm telling you on all sectors we pick them sector by sector
enche kura e be say ye part 2
yes
and then member wa bobo projects na back I mean near the aye comparison kakra within 1 year to your 8 years
yes
all right
so we do it now say 1 year bibia
all right
bibia my project bibia my the asante region me who project
o fa say man for born abasu o
o fe nya hwe
Oh, sir, Dr. Frank Amwako.
Some border about is good. And baby, me who's on the project for Frobiaba.
Oh, so more, yeah. Akwan Santa situation now or ye. But what they
Santa, I'm in Chile, I have Fremo for I Dr. Mwako, now Fred Zuba.
Okay.
Yen yes, Tati, I know with Jaika. Baby, I'm a boy, my basson said, or my 10 minutes. The final board approval was supposed to be in 2025.
Okay, Jomo, yeah, man.
One by inheriting. Until me, the projects in Amka, we are inheriting. Yes. Right. Politicians, I think we should be truthful to ourselves. Who inherit here can be inherited, number two. Because government there, it should be a continuous
inheritance. As media, may were questions be brave because under your government, the same people, but you been a part too.
Because
Honorable Simon Osei-Mensah.
Let's meet up.